Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Mercedes C-Class. So from any screen, you've kind of got the menu there. If you push the selector forward, you've got Navi here, which you can select from there. So that's straight onto Navi. But if you, for any reason, you were using the selector, if you push the selector forward, it highlights the top menu across to Navi. Select Navi by pressing the selector in, and there you've got destination at the bottom there, and it's already on destination. So click to select destination, and then you've got address entry from memory from last destinations. So address entry, click address entry, and then you've got town, street, start, map, postcode. So we need to knock the selector back towards us and then turn it to postcode. Click postcode. This is the easiest way to do it. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. It's already gone to numbers there, which a lot of satellite navigation systems don't do. PR54. There we go. So select PR54. You can narrow it down. It's gone to street here, so click on street. We are Chorley Road, so C. And once we get a few letters in, you see this all changes to narrow down what starts with CHO, and we're onto Chorley Road now. So we can select Chorley Road by just clicking. It's asking me for a number. I'll do the number as well. I don't usually, but we'll put. We haven't got a number here, but I'll put 27. Well, I'll put 27 in. It's obviously not a 270. So click 27, and then it's.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat in the forecourt, and it's obviously the postcode is a kind of a square around here, so that's why it's telling me that. But that's it. So it's a good system to use, nice and simple. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mercedes Benz. So from any screen, if we just click telephone, you'll see there you've got the menu. If you click that forward, that selects the top menu. Click it back towards you, like so. So we're onto the bottom menu, and you've got telephone there. So we select telephone by clicking on there, and there you've got Bluetooth telephones, receive business cards that are possible or possibilities. Bluetooth telephone, select Bluetooth telephones. Now there's only my phone showing, so we turn this down to my phone, and then you'll see there's options there, but it's greyed out or back over there. So we turn it down to my phone, highlight my phone, and then knock the selector over to options. Now options is highlighted, then we select it. And then you've got deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. Deauthorize, click select. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. Once that's on, we're looking out for the phone at the bottom. We go over to the audio system, click telephone, and you'll see there, there's nothing immediately obvious, but you've got telephone down here in the left-hand corner. So we pull the selector back towards us till we get to the bottom menu. Telephone's highlighted. If it's not, just turn the rotary selector, click OK to select Bluetooth telephones. Now again, not immediately obvious. Bluetooth telephones, and update, not immediately obvious. It should say search or look for phone or whatever, but it doesn't. It says update. So you click update. Now you get a clue that it's actually going to find your phone, searching for a maximum of 10 Bluetooth devices. Barry's iPhone. So now we have to highlight the phone it's just found. Once it's highlighted, select it by clicking the control. Please enter the passcode here on the Bluetooth device. So we're going to put in 0000 for ease of use today. Turn the rotary selector over to OK, click OK, select OK, and then it brings up the kind of the telephone keypad here, and we need to put 4 noughts in to match the code we've just put in. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'm not going to, because I won't be using this car, but you will. Authorization procedure successful, and Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.